It's D-Day. Queensland Fire Alarm Legislation is changing, and all rental and sale properties in Queensland must have interconnecting fire alarms installed in the premises from January 2022. If you haven't already, you need to get your property ready before the deadline hits. Hi, I'm Melinda Kirby, and I help educate people to make informed decisions in the real estate marketplace. Fire alarms, they're probably something that you don't think too much about till you burn the toast in the kitchen, followed by some crazy tea towel waving, trying to shut it up. But in the off chance that you do have a fire, you want to be prepared and alerted as soon as possible. So, how do these legislation changes affect you? From the 1st of January 2022, interconnecting photoelectric fire alarms that meet the new Australian standard must be installed in every bedroom and hallway that connects to the bedrooms of your home. This is not just rental properties. This includes all residential properties that are for sale after this date. And finally, from January 2027, all domestic dwellings need to comply with this new legislation. If you haven't got onto this yet, you really need to get moving. For a deeper dive on this topic, head over to my website and read my article at mkproperty.com.au. If you'd like more advice on this, give me a call. I'm here to help.